That's hilarious. This little thing counts out of $1.40.
God.
What?
God.
Sigma 3, I think? Or Sigma 2?
I'm gonna have to see.
It's like a Toyota MR2 pretty much. It goes hard though. It's the engines in the back and shit. Where it's got like 100 horsepower stock. Oh, I should be also.
I think I know. This shit is so shady.
You need the pits?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so getting praised.
Oh yeah, that's what I thought you were right. Doesn't it though? This thing is cell shaped.
That's Civic? Hell yeah. Which one is that?
The Conjo SJ.
The regular one?
I think it's the one. Conjo SJ. The bigger Conjo SJ. I don't know if it's the
It's not a midnight dynamic.
Bro, I topped out at 100. I can't even turn.
Oh my
The
god.
steering wheel has so much play in it. I might as well be driving my grandmother's car around the track.
Oh, really? I got
This is what I imagine it would be like to keep. Oh, what the hell? This thing can't even fucking turn with the steering. Barely turn with the joystick. It's just too fucking. It's got too much camber to do anything. I really don't understand why people like doing this to their cars. It makes you can't even take a regular speed bump. Like I like low cars and all that, but when it gets to the point of impracticality, why? Might as well put it on a pedestal and never touch it. What do they call it? Stance cars?
Gotta fix my shit again. Wow, this fog, bro.
Is this supposed to be? Oh yeah, it is. All redstone. Focus up. What is this? Dog. Bashing beast. Not giving me my car.
What the hell?
No. There. It took forever. Oh shit, this is not what I expected. But it's what I got. You ready for this? You know what I saw on the Notebook Grill a week ago?
What?
A tour bus.
Yeah.
And I remember what the person who posted it said. Fun fact, the Notebook Ring lets you drive anything on the track.
The number went for it. Alright.
So what?
The number went for it.
Yeah. I would love to do that. Just get passed by people and some pseudo shit. Oh my god, that would be crazy. Before we do that, we gotta do 1,000 laps on the Notebook Ring. So then when we get there in real life, we'll be like, have you guys done this before? Only about 1,000 times. Like, I know what turn. Oh my god, that'd be crazy. Because it's like, you do it in the game, you know it's coming. But to do it in real life, you're like, I know what turn is next.
I forget I can accelerate so hard out of these corners, boy.
Say what?
I forget I can accelerate out of these corners.
Accelerate. I caught you.
Oh fuck. Come on. Got it. Got it. Oh my god.
Made a pinfall. On my way to smack you home. No!
Oh my bad.
No, I messed up.
Oh.
No, that was my bad.
That was so good too, bro. That was nasty.
What?
That drive right there we had.
Oh.
I had the music on and everything, bro.
Over here dropping in silence. Making sure I'm making around the turn.
This is literally like, who said GTA can't be a proper racing game?
It's like we said before, bro. People don't know how to do things any other way.
Hold up.
Isn't that what you do in GTA? You're like, you don't know how to play games, do you? You play the game dictated, you play the game predicated way. Not your own.
Oh my god, you could just whip through that turn in the mid-rear.
Like Star Citizen. People complain that there's no endgame. I'm like, this is a game that has this is a game that's in the process of being worked on. 11 years in the process, and people are complaining that there's no endgame. Even if there was, they said it's a do anything, which means make your own fucking gameplay.
There's no endgame in life, bro.
That's what, and I'm like, I think I left a comment like that on someone video. I was like, the reason why people have a problem with Star Citizen and not knowing what to do is because they don't know what to do with their own lives.
Yo, preach on it.
I was, and someone in the comments, someone agreed with me. They're like, sadly, yeah, a lot of people don't even know how to play it. That's why they're complaining that there's no endgame. They can only play a game that has walls and it guides them on what to do, where to go next, what to achieve, what to go after, and just what's next. Meanwhile, people out here who could live their own everyday life and be like, you know what, today I'm gonna wake up and go take some pottery classes. That type of person's creating their own gameplay loop in a game that has no move.
Right.
Like for a little while, I was advertising as a weapon sale because I was going around collecting a bunch of sniper rifles. I was like, yo, I'll save you the trouble of going to find them. I have a fuck ton, 10K for a sniper rifle. I got ammo for you too, which is stupid because all the weapon shops sell ammo for every weapon. They just don't sell the weapon. Which I think is hilarious. Someone was like, yo, that's an interesting gameplay loop that you made for yourself. I'm like, yeah, but arms deal it. You only this. But again, the problem with that is people only want railguns and rocket launchers. Because those are the two hardest weapons